Hello and welcome to this tutorial of how to log into your course. First, we're going to type and enter our website on our browser. You can log in from the login button on the top right of the home page. Enter your username and password and click the Login Now button. You can also click the Remember Me button so you will always stay logged in. Now that we are logged in, we are going to scroll down on the home page until we get to the Affiliated Schools section. You can find and click the icon of your school on the sliding bar. If you do not see it, you can always scroll left and right using the arrow buttons on the side until you find it. Now you are on your school's homepage. We can find our classes by scrolling down and using the arrow keys to navigate between levels. After clicking our course icon or the Learn Now button, we can scroll down to see our available choices for lessons. Let's take a look at the Grammar L1 level first. Here we can find over 100 helpful exercises and instructional videos on Greek grammar. You have unlimited uses of these exercises to add and match to your daily curriculum. Along with educational videos, you can also find grammar tables, complete with pronunciation samples and translations. Now let's click the back button and take a look at the Greek grade category. Each grade offers a free selection of a few complete lessons that can be utilized as additional content in class. These offer a variety of exercises, like true-false, multiple choice, writing, and matching. Finally, let's take a look at the chapter lessons. These are currently empty, but will soon contain complete lessons for every day of the week. They will be completed in the coming months, offering teachers a daily curriculum that can be helpful in class. And that is how to log in and navigate your course pages.